Dessert nila. Mm. Hindi ko siya may patong. Yun lang. Ano ko siya ipapatong? Wait! Hirap mag-vlog. Okay. Wait lang ha.
Cabalen's famous Filipino cuisine is available at 26 branches all over the country and one international branch in San Bruno, California, while their Filipino-Asian cuisine is available at SM Mega Mall, Mall of Asia, and Robinson's Place Ermita. It all started in 1974 when the Cabalen family of San Fernando, Pampanga opened a small bahay pasulubong restaurant. It focuses only in selling specialty regional food dishes. Later on, it grew into a restaurant called Ituro Mo, Iluto Ko. Gradually, the restaurant gained fame, which leads to the establishment of their first restaurant carrying the family name in 1986. It was in West Avenue, Quezon City, that the first Cabalen, with its iconic pot-shaped logo and tagline, "Eat all you can, eat all you want," was established that surely captured one's appetite for more local dishes. In 2013, Cabalen opened its first international branch at San Bruno, California, much to the delight of Filipinos and Americans living in the United States. Credit by Mr. Renz Chan.
May Cabalen.
Going to take first this crispy baboy or crispy pork. Let me try this one. And next is I'm gonna taho. Three taho. So next is what is this? Casino. This is my favorite all time. Casino! Yes. Casino and let me try this native longganisa. Native longganisa flavor. Try natin. Of course, I need plain rice. So, konti lang. Konting rice lang para makaulit ulit tayo at makabili tayo sa dessert. Diba? So, syempre, kailangan natin ng rice para hindi naman tayo maumay dun sa kanilang, ano ba to? Almansi?
Yung tosino nila, ang sarap. Try nyo guys. So yun guys. Okay. Hello sa pimples ko, hindi nawawala. Pero may itatry akong product at isi-share ko sa inyo kung effective ba yung product nila or hindi. I-share ko sa inyo at i-try ko to within 1 month at gagawan ko siya ng review. So, ayun. For the meantime, kakain po tayo ngayon dito sa Cabalen. So guys, ito yung dessert na kinuha ko. Maha, puto, and may favorite watermelon. Ito muna itong puto nila. Chocolate puto. Masarap siya. Okay, next is maha blanca. Prepare natin itong maha blanca. No. Masarap to, lalo pag may nilatik. Wow. At ito, kulay ng hat. Diba? Pangit siya. So, ayun, at nagsasurvey nila ako. Excellent. And value of money, worth it naman.
Cabalen is a fine dining restaurant known for authentic Kapampangan dishes and different Filipino specialties.
Would you like to return? Yes. Sorry, hindi pa. Thank you.
Tanong hanggang kailan mo sasagipin ang mga nangangailangan ng tulong. Isang tawag ka lang, mabilis masatibok ng puso.